Greetings YouTube, this is Jared with Omnivore Bladeworks. Wanted to do a status report on January 1st, 2014. Got a couple of Kodiak swords going out. I'm going to have a demo video of the sawback Kodiak and tell you why you shouldn't order a sawback here in another few days. Actually, not really why you shouldn't order one, but why it's not very good for wood. Better for zombie guts. Anyway, here's a nice camo pattern on this one. Turned out really cool. That's going to a guy up in New York. I wanted to show you some of the stuff, why I've been so busy. The floor now is yellow and gray. Things are in disarray, but I have a stack of blanks to work with here. The same Kodiak blanks you saw last time, and then some tomahawk blanks that are already processed. The underhooks already machined on most of these, or all of these, and then they still need to have some cleanup done, polishing operations. I'm really happy with the new purchase of this here Milwaukee quarter band and a stand from Swag Off-Road. Actually, one of my classmates from college built this particular stand. He sent it to me in the white, so it was just steel, and I put some old Cerakote on it. This is a Smith Gray. Kind of matches the color tone of the tool itself. I didn't really intend that. It's just I need to get rid of some of that old Cerakote. Another new thing is this dust collection ductwork, which is from Nordfab, and it's what they call a quick lock, I think, and everything just snaps together. So you can see I have a 8-inch and then a pipe coming down, and then into a couple of 6-inch pipes, and that's gonna suck dust out of the back of the chop saw and down below on the table saw for my dad's projects with furniture and whatnot. And then going into the grinding room, I have a Super Dust Deputy Cyclone with a blast gate on it, which goes into the grinding room so I can keep all the micarta dust and the steel shavings contained in a barrel underneath the Dust Deputy. And going back into the grinding room, I've got some new PVC ductwork, so I can add probably the some kind of sander here in this first station, and then another belt grinder in this next station, and then on the KMG I made another sucker box in the back so that it'll stay cleaner when I'm doing most of my work here. These 4 Kodiaks on the wall right here are ground. They're made at 5160, and I'm not sure who's going to be able to heat treat those for me. So I'm going to be researching that, and then we'll do some testing with the 5160 steel. You can see this whole stack of Jackal tomahawks is almost done. Just have a little more grinding work and deburring work to do, as is this stack. These are standard Jackals with without the canine pommel, and then all these blades are all almost done. We've got the Americanus buoy and some other small utility knives, and there's a new Tonto. And then these ETA tomahawks. There's a few guys that already want these, so they'll be going out to customers as soon as they're done. And then here's a real short batch of stuff that's almost ready to go. I just have to Cerakote these and put handles on them, and they'll be ready. Facilities around here is basically what's keeping us slow right now. So the plan is to put our CNC router back here in this room and put a vinyl curtain up in this big open doorway, and then that way I can get the CNC router running. Paint booth is improved a little bit now because I put the the air line right on the vent hood. And then of course I also moved my blasting cabinet so it's right next to my paint area, so I can just pull stuff out of the blast cabinet, blow it off, and Cerakote it right there. Save me some time. I wish I had better news, but I still got a lot more work to do before we can really get rocking and rolling again. I'm going to try to do some grinding and other metalwork stuff while I'm doing facilities improvements. But as you can see, it's a big mess, and these things take time. So I hope everybody's going to be patient with me and just expect good news for the future. 2014 is going to be a nice, productive year. All right, that's all I got.